and welcome back to my YouTube channel NK Tutorial. This is Nushat here and I'm teaching Maths of NCERT class 8. Once again I'm back with another question of exercise 6.4 and it is also very interesting. ये भी बहुत मजे वाले क्वेश्चन है. आप देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. What is question number saying here? Just look here. In a right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Here in a right triangle ABC, angle B क्या है 90 degree. Just look here. ये ABC triangle है and angle B is 90 degree. Then we have to find in question A, means A part of question number 7, if AB is equal to 6 centimeter. This is AB. AB is equal to 6 centimeter. BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Find AC. We have to find AC. This one. Got it? We have to find AC. Just look here. Since it is a right triangle, note down first of all solution of A part. In right triangle हम लिखेंगे in right triangle ABC. Right triangle ABC में V है. क्या है हमारे पास? क्या क्या है? AB is equal to 6 centimeter. BC is equal to 8 centimeter. And we have to find AC is equal to what? हमें फाइंड करने हैं AC. What is the length of AC? Got it? You know, by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem यूज करके we get हम क्या पाते हैं? That you know this the longest side AC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. You know जो longest square होता है that longest square is equal to sum of the square of the smallest sides. Okay, तो ये हमारी AC square सबसे longest side है and that is equal to AB square plus BC square. So you know therefore AC is just leave here. We have to write an AC. हमें सिर्फ AC फाइंड आउट करनी है. So AB square plus BC square. Okay, and this square means this will come here as a under root. हम इस स्क्वायर को रिमूव करके यहाँ अंडर रूट में ले आते हैं. Now look here. What is AB here? AB कितना है हमारा? 6. 6 का स्क्वायर. AB is 6. So write down here 6 square. What is BC? 8. So 8 square. Then under root. Got it? Just look here. What is the square of 6? 36. 6 6 are 36. Square of 8? 8 8 are 64. So now when you add it, 6 4 10, 6 3 9 9 and 1 10 100. The square root of AC is means we have got the square root of 100. Okay, sorry, we have got 100 as a square root. You know therefore a square root of AC is equal to 1. A square root of 100 is what is the square root of 100? आप इस तरह से कर सकते हो फाइंड आउट सिंपली लाइक दिस. ये 100 है प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से. 2 5 are 10 1 0. Now once again 2 25 are 50. 5 5 are 25. 5 1 are 5. From each pair we can take 1 1. एक पेयर से इस पेयर से 1 2 you will take and from this pair you will take 5. So 2 5 are 10. Therefore AC is equal to 10 what? 10 centimeter. Getting? आ रहे हैं? Very clearly अंडरस्टैंड करो बहुत अच्छे से. मीन्स बहुत इजी है, आप अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हो. बस सिंपल हमने जस्ट वी हैव यूज्ड हियर पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. इस तरह से and we have to find the square root of 100. After finding the square root of 100 we have got here 10 centimeter. AC is equal to 10 centimeter. So we have got AC 10 centimeter. Got it? Now let's see the B part of question number 7. Getting it now? Just I'm rubbing it now. Let me rub it. इसे रख देते हैं. Rub it completely. here in a right triangle ABC. पहले हम right triangle ABC ड्रा करेंगे. Angle B is 90 degree. So write down here angle B 90 degree. This is B, this is A, and this is C. Now here telling B part, if AC is equal to 13 centimeter, this is AC, so this is 13 centimeter. BC is equal to 5 centimeter. This is BC. Find AB. What will be AB? ये AB क्या होगा? What will be the length of AB? AC given है 13 centimeter, BC given है 5 centimeter. What will be the length of AB? Just same by using Pythagoras theorem हम इसे find out करेंगे. So just look here. Solution. Once again, they are just started. You know, just look here. In right triangle. They have started marking A, B, C. But don't get distracted. Just look here. यहाँ ध्यान से सुनिए आप. Okay. In right triangle ABC, we have क्या है हमारे पास? AC is equal to 13 centimeter. Got it? BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Asking AB is equal to what? ये AB is equal to what? Okay. So once again, by using Pythagoras theorem, हम Pythagoras theorem को यूज करके पाते हैं. We get what do we get? That AC square is equal to what? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. But here you have to find AB square. So हम AB square को will be now this AB square. AB square is equal to इतने नहीं करो, simple करो directly. Just remember when asking about the smaller side, जब भी smaller side की बात हो तो आप hypotenuse में से means longer side में से simple किसी one को subtract कर देंगे. Here the longest side is AC and we have to find AB. So write down here AB square is equal to longest side क्या है हमारा AC. AC square में से आप माइनस करेंगे the smallest side, that is smallest no maybe BC means इससे smaller जो है that is BC square को माइनस करेंगे. Therefore AB is equal to AC square plus BC square and this 2 square will come here under root. What is AC? AC कितना है 13 sorry minus here will be minus में आएगा ये. AC what is AC? 13 का square minus 5 का square root over. Okay. Once again square root of 13 is 169. आप नोट डाउन करेंगे हम 169 नहीं आता आप इसे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. You can do here 13 3 is 39, 31 is 30, 169. Okay. And let me rub it. Okay. The square of 13 is 169. The square of 5 is 25. Now under root. Once again 9 minus 5 4, 6 minus 2 4 and 1. Okay. We have got here 144. Now we have to find the square root of 144. You know simply what is the square root of 144? You can find it also here. ऐसे 12 होता है but you can do here 2 7 जा 14, 2 2 जा 4, 2 36 जा 2 18 जा 2 9 जा 3 3 जा 9 3 1 जा 3. अब हम इसका पेयरिंग करते हैं. From this pair, from this pair, from this pair. Okay. From this pair you take 1, 2. From this pair also you take 2. From this pair also you take 3. Okay. Therefore, AB. Thus, AB is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12 centimeter. Means आप अगर इतना नहीं करना चाहते सिंपली कर सकते हैं AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Means the square root of 144 is 12 centimeter. I hope you are getting this question. Answer of this question very properly. No any problem, no doubt, no query. So I will meet you in my next video with another question. Till then, bye bye.